everybody. Is it still morning? Yep, it's still morning. It is Saturday morning. Yeah, Saturday morning. We are about to step out, go take care of some business. We were actually supposed to go to the Apple store, but I rescheduled to go tomorrow because I got too much stuff to do today. And knowing me, I don't like to cram a lot of stuff into one day, so I figured we would just go to the store tomorrow. But she's just throwing all my laundry over here. She can fold it for me. I don't see why she can't. Why not?
I'm on my own shit. I ain't folding your clothes no more. I'm tired of it.
You can fold them for me.
I'm not your slave no more.
You was never my slave.
You used to beat me.
She lying, y'all. But I be feeling like my wig be crooked sometimes. It probably do be.
You used to hit me.
I ain't never hit you.
You did used to hit me.
My part. But anyways, she's lying. She's talking junk. We are getting ready to step out.
She don't want y'all to know she hit me.
Go take. I don't be hitting you.
Why you walking like that?
Walking like what?
Like your booty big.
My booty is big.
It's bigger. Like your booty bigger.
What?
You walking like it's bigger. Like you walking like that.
No, I'm not. No, I don't. The people with duck booties walk like that.
What the fuck? No, that's how you walking.
No, that's not how I was walking.
Yes, you was. Like, why you gotta walk like that? I'll step on your shoes.
Don't step on my shoes.
You walk like this. Walk out the room like this. You do not walk like that.
I didn't know. How can I walk out the room like that? And I got my hand right here. I got the camera in one hand.
Because I got to use the hands. I ain't got no butt for it. But you do.
She full of it.
I ain't lying. You know I ain't lying. Don't try to change your walk now.
But I wasn't walking like nothing. I got on some simple shoes and a sweatshirt. Y'all look. See, it's just some simple, what are these? Pink Air Maxes, a sweatshirt, and some jeans. How was I walking like anything?
Because you was like you was wiggling a little bit too. In them jeans. How you make the boot wiggle in jeans?
She full of crap. See, y'all, all I got on is some,
See what I'm saying?
some regular jeans, a sweatshirt, and some tennis shoes. Comfortable. That's it. So I don't see how that resonates with me walking with my butt stuck out.
She was.
I most definitely wasn't. Anyways, y'all, we about to step out, so I'll be back. This is how we barbecue in the wintertime. The snow don't stop nothing here in Michigan. You cold? Y'all see that? Summertime barbecue.
That's right.
Wintertime barbecue.
That's what family do.
That's how we do it. My handsome son. He just smashed that barbecue hot dog. Jay. Jay. Oh, you want a perp? Okay. Uncover your face. I can see it through the paper towel. Asshole. Yes, okay, you bet freaking not. Don't do that. Jay, stop for something really come out your nose. That would be really disgusting. Jay, don't play with me. I swear. Stop. Mama's boy. A mama's boy. I swear I'm not going to be a monster-in-law from here. I'm going to be the best mother-in-law ever. I'm going to be a cool mother-in-law. I'm probably going to get along with my daughter-in-law better than my son. You said most likely. Okay, Ginger.
I'm going to tell you, the ribs are perfectly ready now. By the time your mama gets finished burning them up.
They don't do that shit. I've been barbecuing for a long time. Because I'm just saying, you claim that barbecue master, she already got it. So I don't even know.
Yeah, I didn't even know I was this good at this shit.
No.
You're a pro, huh?
I'm a pro. This is not done. All I'm doing is letting it sit to other shit.
Drown it in barbecue sauce. Y'all want to see?
That don't look good. Woo, I hope you ain't got me on live. She did. She put you on there. Don't put me on live.
What don't look good? That do look good. You just gotta put more sauce on it.
I ain't done. I gotta put it back on the grill.
Come on, son. You do look good. Look at that. Ain't that beautiful, y'all?
She ain't on live.
You're not on live. That's beautiful. All pure beauty, called natural beauty. Like you told me, embrace it. What's wrong with your silly braids?
No, I ain't talking about the way I look. I just don't want to be on.
Oh, you ain't on live? Not yet. So we made it home from Tiff Mom's house. Y'all, we barbecued in 20 degrees weather. It's cold outside. But we ain't letting no snow, no cold stop us for having some summertime barbecue in the wintertime. But we just got home. We're about to chillax, find a movie to watch. And me personally, I'm sleepy. But I usually can never fall asleep. I'm like one of the worst persons to fall asleep. Y'all see my hair? My little faux little braids that I did. Yeah. This is just the faux little plaits that I plaited up in my head to wear my wig. I know most people wear them thinner and flatter, but that's just too many damn braids.
My God.
I need to be braided myself. Oh, you got what?
Who are you talking to?
The camera.
Oh, God, weird.
How am I weird?
Cause I hear you talking, but I don't know what you're saying. I just hear you talking.
But
So that's what's talking to yourself.
we're probably about to watch Widows, or I actually want to watch Dreamgirls. I don't know why I want to watch Dreamgirls. I've been wanting to watch Dreamgirls for the past couple months, but I don't know. Other than that, today was a good day. We got go to Apple tomorrow, so hopefully I won't be too sleepy. But for some reason, I feel extra tired today. Oh, and I need to go to Best Buy. I need another hard drive so I can save my stuff from my laptop to the hard drive. But we'll probably do all that tomorrow, more than likely. And then get ready for the work day, which is Monday. So, other than that, y'all, I must say, today was a good day. Dun, 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 dun. Nah, but anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, you guys. Good morning. Oh, babe and I are getting ready to run some errands. We gotta go to the Apple store to get my laptop looked at and my earbuds. My earbuds not working no more, and my laptop is acting funny, so I gotta go get it, serviced. And I put on my my matte royal blue or whatever it's called lipstick, and I guarantee you she gonna say, what the fuck? Cause she hate bold colors. She don't like red, she don't like none of that bold shit. So we're gonna see what she say when she come back in that I got on blue lipstick. Hey babe. What you do that for? I told y'all.
I'm scared.
Why you scared?
It's a monster.
What's a monster? How am I a monster? What I do?
Black.
What's black?
Your mouth.
No, it's not black. What I tell y'all? I told y'all.
Ugh.
What's wrong with it, baby?
I'm scared.
Come give me a kiss.
Fuck no. Ugh. You got stuff. Ugh, move look like cake icing.
Cake icing. Give me a kiss.
That's ugly.
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Ain't nothing wrong with the blue lipstick. She just hates colors. Reds, blues, blacks, dark purples, any color lipstick I wear, she don't
You too
like
light
it.
skinned for that.
No, I'm not too light skinned for that.
Girl. No.
Give me a kiss.
No.
Give me a kiss, baby.
No.
Why not?
No.
Come on. Why your hand's so cold? Stop!
Come on.
Quit!
Come on. Yeah. How about that?
No!
How about that? Oh.
Stop! Okay. Okay!
Oh yeah.
Stop!
Oh yeah.
Okay, babe, I'll stop.
Yeah.
I still want to kiss.
No.
Why not?
No.
She said, I'm too light skinned for blue lipstick. But I'm not taking it off.
No.
I ain't going with you where?
No.
Ain't nothing wrong with my blue lipstick. Stop!
Been made aware that there are drugs in the facility. I was assured that I could give a signal and they would pluck me out.
Asshole. She's trying to wipe it off. She really tried to wipe off my lipstick. Not today. She tried it. So y'all, it's starting to snow out here, and guess where we at? We're at the gun range. I've never been in my life, and I'm kind of nervous. Let's see how this goes.
Okay, I'm done now.
She ready.
Put your target up here.
Yeah.
What kind of gun is that he's shooting?
AR pistol.
That thing hurt. Make my teeth hurt.
Move it up.
No, I was just saying I'll put it up there.
About 25 feet there. 25. Into. Select 0. Enter and go. That bring it back to you. Okay?
Who going
Thank
first?
you, sir.
Who going first? Leon going
I'm
first.
gonna help him out or want me to help him?
Okay. Close enough.
Y'all got right.
Why the shells popping back like that?
I got two shoulder shots.
Oh, you hit it right in the nose.
Point down. Too high. Point down.
Mike.
Back here.
Look, she like, yeah, I'm good.
Oh, okay. If you've been on a date, don't tell your husband.
Oh, yeah. I shot that one. It is super hard.
I didn't do it.
Leon hit the guy right in the nose. Do you need help? Tip. Yep.
Check the rotation of it. Make sure it's locked in place. Wiggle side to side. Aim in at it again. With your grip. One grip is for both. Like that. You don't have to. There's the trigger.
So aim it down.
Now, look right up under here. This is part of your ramp. You see it? Close your left. Just above his neck.
Am I right there?
Yeah. Put the camera at yourself. Make sure you're good. And then fire when you're ready. Now you push back a little bit for better balance. There you go. Good. Empty?
Yeah. That's a lot of hard work. I can't be no.
Easy on TV.
They make it look really easy on
It's not real.
It's not really easy. That mess is hard, y'all. Y'all, that was freaking cool. First time ever going to the gun range. First time ever shooting the gun. First time ever holding a gun. And I was terrified at first, but once I shot it, oh, I ain't no killer, but don't push me. Me and baby going on a date here. This is gonna be a date night to the gun range. Yeah.
Check mine.
Huh?
This is for the class. We have them every Tuesday. I'm sorry. Every Wednesday, Saturdays, and Sundays.
Okay.
Like when you
So
come
we
get the
just
car,
left
you'll come
Punchbowl
right here.
Social, you guys.
You go right
It's
into it, see
spot
where
in
they say parking
Detroit.
Z.
It's really, really
You go right
nice.
in here.
It's like a chill kickback
Yeah.
spot. Have drinks.
But it's better to go around and come in on the other side because it brings you right out.
They have
You'll go right here and you see that little box
So
right
don't
there.
go in.
And you can go in on either
and
side, but
everything.
it's like
I
when you come
highly
out,
suggest that. We
you'll
will
come.
be back here.
Yup, go straight.
Maybe next
You'll
weekend or
come
the weekend
out
after next. But I
right
enjoyed
here.
myself.
Okay.
After the shooting
Right, I like to go
range
straight
and that
out
place,
on that way
it
and
was
go
good.
straight down the street. So I'll come out on Gratiot instead of Grand River.
Okay.